Hey Bass Rangers, this is Buddy with Bass Ranger Outdoors. I thank you for joining us again for this video, and this is going to be a very unique video. We're going to do a two-part series to this video. The first part, we're going to show some very unique or some interesting catches over the years, some deformed fish bass that I caught. And then the second part is a tutorial on rod repair. Hey, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on each of these videos, and also follow our social media pages. All right, we have Facebook and Instagram, and if you want to spend a little extra money on getting some new gear in terms of some wear, don't forget to check out Bass Ranger Outdoors Apparel shop. But until next time, hope you enjoy and take care. Peace. Oof, hooked him right through the eye. Sorry, little guy. Little guy. Little chunker. Got a little busted up lip. That's pretty cool. Oh man, he's got a little damaged lip. Yeah, that was fun. There you go. Hey, look at that. Isn't that cool? Pretty cool. Alright, he's One-Eyed Willie. Okay, here we go. See that little minnow right there?
Yeah, I do.
Look at him. Look at this guy's little tail. He's a little deformed. He's hurting. Alright, let's get a picture.
Okay.
Okay, rod tip repair. You see the ceramic eye insert head broke. Okay, so those supplies you're going to need: pair of pliers, lighter, the end, and glue, sandpaper, razor blade, and epoxy. So what you want to do is, once you heat up the end with the lighter, make sure you're using the blue piece of the flame. You're going to begin to remove the tip, and just warm it up enough to where the glue starts to separate. Grab the plier, and then it should just pull right off. Pretty simple. As you can see here, you can probably use some of that sandpaper to sand some of the edges off. Next, you're going to have to measure the distance of the new end piece to where the epoxy is at. So you might have to cut some of the epoxy away for the end to fit. Right here is where you're going to go ahead and make your adjustment, or in order to make it fit, you're going to peel some of that epoxy away. I recommend not using razor blade towards you, but rather away, just for safety concerns. After you've removed some of the epoxy, you can just continue to cut until it fits. make sure you keep checking to see if the new end tip is going to fit properly. As you can see, I pulled a little too much epoxy on, but don't worry, you can always fill that in with new epoxy. Next, as you begin to glue, just go ahead and slide the insert on. Make sure the glue takes on, and then make sure there's enough glue. You'll know when there's enough glue is when it pushes from the other side. At the end of the tip, there's a little hole, and the glue should just push right through. And last, as a finish up to clean everything up, you'll see that I used epoxy to cover the gap.